hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
Today, we're learning about verbs. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
How do we say to walk in isiXhosa? That's right, ukuhamba.
Ndiyahamba.
And what is the verb for to run in isiXhosa? Very good, ukubaleka.
Ndiyabaleka.
Now, how do we say to sleep in isiXhosa? That's right, ukulala.
Nonke ndilele.
And to sit in isiXhosa? Very good, ukuhlala.
Ndiyahlala.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. So, ukuhamba means to walk. And when you want to say, I walk, you just take away the uku and you add ndi, which means I. But remember, you also need to put ya in between, so it becomes ndiyahamba. I walk. You see how easy it is?
Ndiyahamba.
So, to walk is ukuhamba. To run is ukubaleka. To sit is ukuhlala. And to sleep is ukulala. And now you can use these words to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Oh, he's sleeping. We'll see you next time, kids. Goodbye.